Used to be super hungry, but kind of lost it. Any advice on getting it back? Oh, Dylan, I love it. I love it. I love it. Well, first of all, usually what happens there is you're not you haven't squatted up enough with people that are killing it. People that are in the game, people that are just flowing with it, people that are enthusiastic, people that are moving and shaking and doing deals and talking about deals and everything. So the first thing is you need to surround yourself. You need to get your personal board of directors. You hear that? Remember, you're a company. I think legally in this country, we're all companies. Did you guys know that? Yeah. I think we're all, you are a company. Well, I'm kind of offshooting that, but listen, you got to consider you are a company. You are the head, you are the chairman of your company. You need your board of directors. You need those other 5 people there to surround you and support you and call you out and keep you accountable and inspire you and just see what they're doing. And oh my gosh, now you're on fire. So the first thing is you got to squat up. Second thing is no more music in your car. For real. No more music and no news before 5 p.m. You hear me? This is going to be tough. Because we all have these things that keep kicking news at us, keep kicking news at us, keep kicking news at us. If it's that important, somebody will call you. Somebody will call you, for real. So no news before 5 p.m., all right? And no music in your car. I want you to be listening to great podcasts, Wholesaling Inc., Wholesale Hotline, right? I want you to be having really good audibles. I want you reading 10 pages of a good book a day. I want you to be doing that. And most importantly, this is what I want you to do, Dylan. This is the fire. Because having the personal board of directors is fine. Having good thoughts coming into your head and keeping the negative ones are great. But if you are not in action, anxiety is always going to creep in. I'm telling you, anxiety is always going to creep in if you are not in action. When you are in action, you can't think about it because you're going. You're going, you're going, you're going. That's why I say be proactive. That's why I say go after it. That's why I say it's talk to people. It's like a command. It's like, come on, talk to people. Literally, go out and be proactive. Don't wait for this stuff to come to you. There is something in your brain that makes you special. You wouldn't even be on here. You wouldn't even be considering real estate, let alone wholesaling, let alone being proactive for wholesaling real estate, building all this. We're different. We're weird. We're crazy, right? But you have that. So you already have that. If you've made the decision that you're going to make this your life, then go with it, man. Be in action. To get the right people on your board of directors, I'm telling you, they got to see you with that fire. They can't see you just hoping that you're going to get some of their gasoline, some of their energy. You got to bring that energy. You got to be loud. You got to go after it. You got to get a list of ugly houses and their phone numbers, and you call them every single day, whenever you can. Be in action. You will win. It's inevitable. If you talk and have enough quality conversations with distressed property owners, you win.